All right, today we're going to create a new file and we're going to do a room and put a door in it. So I'm going to grab a new file and I want to begin working in feet. Okay, so take a look at your upper right hand corner. You're going to click on the measurement. You're probably in millimeters, change it to feet, and the other check mark should be fine. And then make sure you zoom in or out, probably out, so that it says 1 foot up there. All right. Go to your top view and grab a rectangle. And we're going to draw this rectangle to be 10 by 8. 10 by 8. Notice mine's 11. I'm just going to tap my 11, type in a 10. And there's a little button here for feet. I'll tap FT. That locks it in as feet. Rooms have walls, and walls have thickness, so we're going to use our offset tool. Tap on the wall, and we're going to bring it in. I want to bring it in 4 inches. That says 6, so I'll tap it. I'll change it to a 4. This time I will tap the button that says IN, 4 inches, lock that in. 3D view. And I want to raise my walls. We're going to raise our walls 9 feet. I'll again tap the measurement, type in 9 feet, lock that in. Let's go to front view. Click on the face. We want to draw a rectangle that'll be our door. So we'll grab our rectangle tool. The door, you can put it wherever you want to, but the door is going to be 7 feet. Try that again. I'll start at the actual bottom. 7 feet by 3 feet. Okay, so 7 feet tall, 3 feet wide. When you've got that, go back to 3D view, tap on your door. Notice you can pull it out or in. Let's go in and punch a hole through our wall. All right, let's take a peek. Looking good. Let's go back to top view. Our door is going to be a separate piece. So we're going to draw a rectangle for that, laying on the ground. Remember, our door opening was 3 feet, so we'll make that 3 feet. Now, the thickness of the wall is 4 inches, but doors aren't that full width, so we're going to change our width to just 2 inches. All right, so we've got a rectangle laying on the ground, 3 feet by 2 inches. 3D view, zoom in. Let's make this door the height of our opening. Oops, undo that. The height of our opening, which was 7 feet. So we'll type that and make it be 7 feet. All right, very good. Now I know that you could, right? You could try to use the move tools and slide this thing around, put it in the right spot, but we're going to use the align tool instead. I'm going to take a peek on the inside. This edge right here, I want to align with this edge of my door. That edge there with that edge there. So I'm going to begin by clicking on this edge inside my room. It's important to be inside. Grab your align tool and tap that edge of the door that I mentioned. And that brings the door right into the room. Hit your check mark and lock it in. Last thing I want to show is we can open up this door. We used our rotate tool last time. So we are going to find that same rotate tool. Type RO, rotate around axis. We begin by selecting the door. I'm going to go to the actually inside of the door here. Select our door. Hit the green box. Then we're going to select that axis, right? The hinge point for the door. And now we can swing open the door. That is actually the picture I want you to take with the door being swung partly open. So hit your camera button, grab that picture, and then go ahead and hit your check mark to lock it in. Nice job.